Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the mic is physically connected and selected as the default input in your operating system. This prevents device conflicts. Once done, open Roblox, go to Account Settings, and enable voice and microphone access so games can request audio. Make sure your browser or Roblox app also grants mic permission, otherwise the game cannot detect the device. By doing these steps now, you remove the most common blockers and let Roblox proceed to the in-game voice flow without delays. You join a voice-enabled game or a group chat that supports audio, because not all experiences allow microphone use. Then, follow Roblox prompts to verify your age and any required identity steps. This is why some users can't access voice features. Once verified, open the in-game audio settings, choose the correct microphone device, and set input gain so your voice isn't too quiet or peaking. While testing, speak naturally and make adjustments until your levels appear steady and clear for listeners. You finish by performing a live test with a friend or the game's test tool to confirm others can hear you. This validates the whole chain. If you're muted, look for in-game mute toggles, privacy settings, or group permissions that block audio. Should problems persist, restart the Roblox app, update your audio drivers, rerun age verification if it failed, and inspect firewall or antivirus rules that might block mic access. These actions resolve most issues and get your mic working reliably in minutes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.